Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and replay a past workout on ladder. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official ladder application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your app store on your mobile phone, open up the app store, search for ladder, find the application and install it. So after installing and opening up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. So keep in mind you need a paid subscription to use the ladder application or the free trial that is offered to you once you install the application for the first time, because ladder cannot be used for free. So once you've gotten your subscription ready, you can go ahead and choose your team right here at the bottom of the screen, and from your team section you can go ahead and pick your trainer and team, and then you're going to get different workouts. So to replay a past workout on ladder, we're going to go to the workout section right here to the home page, and we must save the workout to our favorites list before the weekly schedule resets on Sunday at 6 p.m. So you're going to open up any workout that you want to save, and it's going to look like this. This is going to be the main page of the workout, and in the bottom left corner you're going to have this save icon. By clicking save, it's going to enable you to go ahead and favorite your workout, and it's going to add it to your saved and favorites list, and after that you can go ahead and access it whenever you want and get started with saving and replaying your workouts. And that is how you can go ahead and replay a past workout. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care and bye.